The Canterville Ghost. It was a bright July afternoon when the American ambassador, Mr. Hiram Otis, moved into Canterville Chase with his family. The old English mansion stood proudly amidst green gardens, tall oak trees whispering secrets from centuries past. Lord Canterville had warned Mr. Otis, "My dear sir, I must be honest. Canterville Chase is haunted." Mr. Otis laughed warmly, his eyes twinkling. "Lord Canterville, Americans don't believe in ghosts. If one did exist, we'd have it displayed in a museum in no time." On their first evening, Mrs. Otis noticed a dark stain on the carpet by the fireplace. "Goodness, what's this?" she exclaimed. "Oh, that's the famous Canterville bloodstain," explained the housekeeper, Mrs. Umney, her voice low and mysterious. "It's been here since 1575 when Sir Simon de Canterville murdered his wife. It never washes out." "Nonsense," cried Washington, the eldest son, laughing confidently. "A good detergent will solve that." With a cheerful whistle, he scrubbed the stain until it vanished. But by morning, the stain had reappeared. From then on, strange occurrences began. Late at night, chains rattled, footsteps echoed, and ghostly sighs filled the corridors. However, instead of fear, the ghost's antics sparked curiosity and amusement among the Otises. One night, Mr. Otis encountered the ghost in the hallway. The spirit, Sir Simon himself, floated menacingly, chains clanking loudly. Mr. Otis, unbothered, offered politely, "My dear sir, your chains are noisy. Here, have this bottle of oil. It's very effective." The ghost was shocked. In centuries, no one had ever offered him practical advice. Determined to scare the Otises, Sir Simon prepared his most terrifying disguises. Blood-stained hands, ghostly laughter, and gruesome disguises. Yet each time, he faced failure. The twin boys laughed, throwing pillows at him, and even sweet Virginia Otis looked at him gently, unafraid. Frustrated and lonely, Sir Simon wept quietly in the library. Virginia found him there one afternoon, sobbing softly by the window. "Why are you crying?" she asked gently, her voice soft and comforting. The ghost sighed deeply. "Because I'm so very tired. I haven't slept in 300 years, and I cannot find peace." "Can no one help you?" she asked sympathetically. "Only you," the ghost replied softly. "You are pure-hearted. If you pray for me, if you forgive my sins, I will finally rest." Virginia felt a wave of compassion. She nodded firmly. "Tell me how." Together they stepped into a secret chamber deep beneath the mansion, where Sir Simon confessed his sorrowful tale. Virginia listened carefully, feeling his sadness and loneliness. That evening, the Otis family searched anxiously for Virginia, who had vanished. Hours passed until she reappeared, pale but calm, holding a small box of jewels. "Sir Simon has found peace," she said quietly. "His soul is free." From then on, Canterville Chase was quiet. The ghost never disturbed the family again. Instead, Virginia often spoke warmly about her mysterious friend. Many years later, as she recounted her adventures to her own children, Virginia smiled softly. He taught me kindness and courage, she said gently. Even a ghost deserves understanding. Outside, the moon cast a silvery glow over Canterville Chase, now peaceful and welcoming, no longer a place of haunting, but of stories shared and lessons remembered.